The All Meghalaya Futsal Soccer Association on Thursday had felicitated players from the state who had won medals at the 13th Senior National Futsal Championships held at SGVP Sports Complex in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in December 2021, where in the women's category, Meghalaya won against Gujarat by 14 goals to 1, while in the men's category, the team from Meghalaya were declared runners-up against winners from Manipur. Others who were felicitated during the program included boys and girls who were selected for the Indo-Nepal International Futsal Cup 2022 organized by the Nepal Futsal Federation that was held at Pokhara, Nepal from the 29th to 31st May 2022, where Silbanus Dingan and Fragrancy Riwan of Meghalaya were declared best players.
One Meshisha. Rahul.
Speaking at the felicitation program, the MLA of Mausanram constituency, Hima M. Shangplyang, while congratulating the young representatives of the state at the 2 futsal championships, encouraged the youth of the state to come forward and take part in games and sports where hard work, discipline and consistency are factors that will bring about success in their endeavor. Shangplyang added that the support of the team managers, the concern and support of the general public and especially parents who are pillars in the lives of children have enabled players to achieve success.
Ki bayar kai kani kan jilek kai futsal or ka jilek kai ka long ka badang thamai khambun sen le se ki breu kim pat su thu ba la ka de ka football ne ka de ka futsal te ngangai ba lungba ki news channel lungba ki pathai war ni yo bangin kham create ya kata ka awareness haki kun samla jungi bakin nangwan mat shushu banya simbenta akum kini kijingi lekai boy kajing tristom kadon kam ka discipline kadon kam kajing minat kadon kam bat nilai i hakajing persyam kebarit jong kani kaseng kelala bahkan sei kini kun samla ban monra kat kini kiburang Kibang iyo macungi kini ki trophy kini ki medals kumtat teater. Ai kublei kinong Krishan jong kani kaseng ya kiri ramba ki wedon benta ban Krishan da kapisa ban Krishan da mesin badru ya ki kemi ki kpa jong kini ki kon samla jungi baro. Ki kemi ki kpa ki dei ki rishot ya ki kon jungi. Ki ba kham yo nong hakajingi lekai ban yo kat ya kata kaburam haka international level ban job ya kini ki kenthei masuwan ai kuble karpam but ya kamtam ya itu ki best player shinrang bat kenthei na ai ya kajing kuble pi but ya kaburam ya kajing kristom chupi kibok ba hakiski kibenno abang ye snow ba katakan national tournament championship ke Bandlong hapo Meghalaya haki penai Julai ni kermen nakaliang jungi kumkino ikhmat nakaliang ke sarkar naka sports department baro ngide bangin kershan lang ya kani ka association aba kawanra kat ikani ka nam ya ke buram ban pelong ikat ka national tournament hangni hapo ke jela jungi na kentu ya ke sarkar baka deban kershan met ban mensim kenang ba inang yo ban sei shu ya ki kun samla na kani ke jela jungi.
Also expressing his gratitude to the futsal players for their hard work and effort was the president of the All Meghalaya Futsal Soccer Association, Samuel Hasha, who also announced that the National Futsal Championships will be held in Shillong in July 2022.
Kini hi ki ki so jong ka jing tre stom ki jong phi ki ba khila wanra ya kane ka jilla ka jongi te tang kane hi but ngapen banaro hangne ba nakaleng jong kane ka national futsal kila pen bana ban organize ya ka national championship hangne apo jilla ka jongi ha une ubnai ban wan la kumno ha ka tayo ka ba khatu jong ne Julai te ngikaman scam rengkat jing ya trilang jong ki player ba bat nakaleng jong ka association bat kumjuro nakaleng jong ki parlok parjor jongi ba nginyo man pelong ya kene ka national championship ha kene ka jela jongi nomor ngimpat julong ngimpat ju organize kum kene ki national championship ha kene ka jela jongi